how to fix WhatsApp photos and videos is not in gallery. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix WhatsApp photos and videos is not in gallery. First thing, go to WhatsApp and here you will find these 3 points in the top corner and click settings, and here you will find chats and this one here. If you want to turn it you will find it like that, and here all you need to do is just turn it on, this one, media visibility, and then just go back, it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and now see you in the next video.